Bali, ano na tayo? 85. Ayun. Medyo pa. Use Newton's law of cooling. Okay. To determine the current temperature of a body in air. 85 is correct po. Very good po. 87. In an electric circuit. Letter A. Solve the equation for. Okay, easy. Okay naman. Cos -1. 125. Okay. Letter B. 10 volts. I see. Okay. That is correct. Letter B. Letter C. 5 volts. Ah, okay. Letter C. That's 5. Mm-mm.
Pwede.
Okay. Letter C is correct po. Letter B. Correct din po. Very good. Letter E. 483. Cos raised to -1, -5, 20. Letter E is correct. Very good po. 89 po tayo. Find the area of the region. Find A founded by the square root of 2. Eighty-nine po is correct. Very good po. 91 po. A searchlight. 91 po. Thank you po. Okay. Letter A. When the car, okay. Okay. Letter A and B po, correct po. 93 po.
Ilan mo?
Okay po. An airplane is flying at speed of 300. Find the following direction from the observer. Okay.
Hmm, hmm. Wala pa yata kaming payment po 'no, this week?
Ano po yun? Sorry po.
Wala pa yatang payment na pinadala yung mami ni Joshua?
Ah, wala, hindi ko po na-check, hindi ko rin po natingnan.
Ah,
Okay lang po.
tinitingnan ko po, eh, parang wala pang pinadala, eh. Ire-remind ko na lang po,
Hindi po, okay lang po yan. Wala pong problema. Hindi ko rin po napansin eh.
Okey po. Hmm,
Alam ko yun.
hmm,
Ano? Ba?
Mm. Ah, hindi ko po pala nakikita. Ayan, thank you pa. Mm.
hmm, hmm.
Actually, my bundle. Wait lang. So, ano na?
Sige lang.
Ano ba? Ah, mhm.
Mm. Mm. Mm.
Ba?
Mm.
Ang galing ng dito.
Mm.
Mhm.
Nasa mga mm. Mm. Bakit? Josh, question lang po. Yung dito po sa may part po na to, 1 minus x squared ka doon? Dito po?
Mm,
Ito po? Yan po?
dito.
Nung nag-simplify ka?
Ito ba? Ilan ba?
Sige lang po.
One here. Publish na sa okay. Mm,
Tapos nung na-simplify mo siya, um, 1 siya? 1 plus x squared? Yung denominator?
yes, oo.
Bakit?
Mm, wait, 16. Okay. Naroon lang ano siya.
16, okay.
Akit mo lang siya.
Final answer na yan.
Oo.
Bakit?
Dapat to. And, 2 miles. Okay, so ito is 2.
Hmm.
Therefore, this is 2 square root of 5. Mhm. Therefore, this is 20. 1/200 over 36 pa.
I'll check your answer muna.
Negative 100 over 3 ba?
I'll check your solution po. Okay. So x is equal to okay. When y is equal to 2. From the given, you'll see. Mhm. Okay naman sa part ng pag-simplify, okay naman yun. Two square root of 1. Negative 1 sa numero. Pero kung gano'n, edi dapat, wait lang, kung negative 1, 2, okay naman. What is your x? What's the given? Mm-mm. For the value of x po, bakit hindi siya 2? Bakit siya 2 square root of 5?
Based on x kasi po ito na. So, dapat based on the hypotenuse. Di ba po? Based on the hypotenuse pa yun. So, based on the hypotenuse pa yun. Okay lang po.
Sige, check mo mabuti.
Ako nga na. May lang po.
Sige lang.
Dapat ito.
Okay. So your x is equal to 2 na. Bakit siya naging 2?
Pinadal ko pa yung variable.
Ano po yun, sorry?
Pinadal ko pa yung variable.
Okay. So kung ang x natin is 2, anong sagot?
Ano mo sulat?
Okay. So what's the final answer?
Ito ba?
Negative. Oo. Ginagamit natin yung, di ba, negative. Pag halimbawa, decreasing, parang ganon. Halimbawa naman, Kung without naman, halimbawa, yung part na may decreasing or increasing, paano mo susulat yung answer mo?
Ano ba? Kung ano ba?
Yung rate niya lang.
60 lang ba?
Okay, good. So, the answer is 60.
Okay. So, mhm.
2 points A and B are, okay, find the least amount from point A to point B. 95.
Easy.
Okay, tapos,
Gagamitin siya.
sige, sige.
Okay, merging ka magic na sa okay. Kaya,
Okay, tapos,
wait, kaya na ba ito? Ha? Susulat ako. Tapos, click.
sige, sige.
Ha? Yan. Wow. But nasa state of limbo na po siya. So, habang naka-press po, naka-press po ako,
Hmm.
span. Okay. Okay.
Oh, okay. Sige, sige.
Okay.
Mhm.
Mhm. Ah, kung gusto ko illustrate, siguro, ah, the ultimate, ano pa yan, the ultimate yung, line daughter. Kasi talaga,
Oo.
line talaga po siya. Ah, tapos, ano ba? Siguro okay, ano eh. Kulang. Okay, tapos let this be
Okay, X. Two five. Okay. May kulang pa ba sa illustration?
R. Yes. Ano ba?
Asan si Frank? A, tsaka si B.
Ay, A.
Ah,
Okay, since
I see.
dalawa po silang variables, so dapat yung goal is to express them in one, ano pa na yung theta.
Mm-mm.
Mm, okay. So, yun. Okay, so, one
Ano
kilometer.
na?
No? So, so then, ano yun, so ganang, ito yung theta. Then, so, kung one to sana, it should be exactly the same measure as this. However, it's mm,
Mhm. Okay.
mhm, 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 mhm. Sure siguro pwedeng sign law. Don't sign law kaya. Mm, mhm, Ay, hindi. May R pala po. So, R over. Mm. Kasi yung overall path na po kasi ganito po siya na yung X tapos ang plus ito. So,
Mm.
parang whatever na for some angle. Parang actually mas okay yata po yung kanina. Yung kanina na uh, yung theta. So, mas completo siya. So, X equals mhm,
X is equal to
sa ball. R over. So, 1/2. Oh, wait. Worth it ba siya?
hmm?
Ano na? Sign is I think ano siya, wait naman. So, sign decimus.
Ano, kamusta?
Okay. Paano kaya siya? I don't think so. Parang siyang nag-vertet po.
Anong anong nabubuong idea sa isip mo kung paano siya i-solve?
X. Pwedeng, kasi hindi kompleto po yung R. Chord siya na. Sing chord. Chord formula. Why? Meron siyang, wala. CRD. Ayun. Kasi yung, ayun. So, kung ito is, uh, Okay. Ano kaya siya naging ganun? Anyway,
Okay.
siguro I don't know, pero huwag muna. Mamaya po yung paano siya naging ganito. Anyway, so, bale, okay, to be minimized. Tapos ang 7 is equal to okay, therefore,
And then,
okay. Good. So,
what's your final answer?
find the least amount. Okay, so, okay na, kailangan po i-optimize to, tapos hanapin ulit yung X and S. Okay lang. Ah,
Okay.
this would find the optimal angle, not the optimal time. Ano, hanapin na po yung optimal angle, not yung optimal time. Minimum angle.
Mm-mm.
It should be 0.
Ah,
Over ayan, minimum time lang. Kailangan somewhere. X equals
so,
and then
mhm.
okay. Okay, it makes sense now. So, equals 6.5. And then, ddt. Should be like this. So, dapat, with respect to t, dapat yung derivation ko. Differentiation should be with respect to t. Okay, so 3/4. Pwede kaya simplify pa to.
9/16 plus 2, 3/4. Undefined.
Ano ba?
Magiging undefined siya.
Kung ano ba?
Kasi magpa-41. Yung, eto. Magpa-41 ka, di ba? 9/16 plus 2.
Hindi pa, t squared.
T squared. Akala ko plus 2.
Be careful with it. No. T squared.
Ano naman ba?
Basta look at yung tail ng t.
Sige, sige. Sabi ko lang, undefined.
Pwede kaya to. Okay, so siguro there is a way. The
3/16.
Okay, so I must
Okay.
optimize this to cos. Okay. Anyway, so point the t. So meron ng tools to do that. To cos. What's happening? I don't think this is good.
This one.
Mm,
It's equal to 0, right? Baka mo ba yung derivative nito? Sorry po. Pag yan lang, 0. Ito.
Okay, Okay, so let me
I see.
learn.
Ano ba yun?
Okay, so when it's equal to 0, maybe that would be good. Maybe. Okay. So when it's 3/2, divide by -3. Okay. Reciprocal. Or
Kaya mo yan. Sige lang.
tama ba ba?
Tinitingnan ko pa.
Uh,
Ang team mo ay 2 square root of 3/3.
okay, so clearly,
I see.
hour.
Nagigets ko na yung ginagawa mo.
Dapat over 1 hour talaga po siya. So, mga
Para mag-zero nga naman. Oo.
1 kilometer din. So, mga pi na. So, mga 3 hours kung by, So,
Bye.
1.1 siguro yung optimal. Mga 1.1 po na. So, in 1 hour, makakover siya ng, tapos, hindi kahit na. So, anyway, basta yung mga optimal speed, siguro mga 1 hour, just a little over 1 hour. So, 2 square root of 3/3. Oh, ayun, mga 1.15. Siguro tama po na. Tama kaya? Kung ano
Sige,
po.
tuloy ka lang.
Kasi,
So, kung ganon,
okay. So,
mas mabilis.
na yung optimal time. Oh, di ba ito na po yan? Wait. Kasi kung, check lang. So, kung, hindi eh. Pag
So,
derivative,
mhm.
square root, 2 square root, wait, pareho lang po. So, since yung ito will be gone, tapos magiging, magkakaroon na, mag-attract lang po siya ng denominator. They will be directly proportional. So, ano sabihin yan? This is the only, kumaga na minimum point. Siya lang po yung only draft. Kasi, yung it's directly proportional, hence na wala siyang maximum. Wala siyang maximum value. Ito lang po yung only point of intersection. So, this must be it.
Sure na?
Yun ba? Na-check.
Sige.
If, siguro kung check na po kung nasa ano siya.
Sige.
6.5 times 2 square root of 3. Mga 7.5 yung total distance.
7.5.
Okay. So, 7.5 total distance. Square root of 3 yung t ay x. So, kung square root of 3 siya. Mga 5.7 yung ano, S.
5.7.
And then mga 1.7 yung ano. So, 1, 2, 1. Mhm. Siguro ito na ba?
Sure na yan.
Yes.
Find the least amount of time. Hindi
So,
pa.
ito pong, wait.
Malayo. Sobra-sobra.
Kasi ito po i-simplification dito Hindi siya pwedeng pahirapan. It will be impossible to solve. Sino mali?
Simula mo maikling paraan? O ano?
May fallacy somewhere mo. May false equality. Baka ito. May ano pa minsan may fallacy. Baka ito kayong fallacy.
Sa theta. Teka.
Baka ito nga
6.5 theta cos negative.
The drive to find the theta over the be wrong.
Ang theta mo naman ay cos raised to negative 1. So, what's your S ba? I see. Teka lang. Tinitingnan ko po pag yun ang solution. Kung ang S mo ay 3/4, 3/4. Oo. Oo. Ganyan baka na din. Kaya, oo. Dito. Nakita ka na. Mas minsan. Mga around 3/4 na pala yung ginamit. Kung 3/4, ay dito. Eto, dito.
Wait. Alam ko na po. Tama siya.
Nandun yung problem.
Alam ko na po pala yung problem. Tama siya actually. It's actually correct, but it's optimized for the wrong variable. Optimize siya for theta. In the, ito po yung dapat minimum theta. Okay, so it's not the goal. So sabihin, ito po yung minimum possible na theta. Tama. Yes, it would be correct kung minimum theta. Kaso nga lang, that's not the goal. The goal is minimum time. No. The tornado of destruction. Everything
Tapos tignan, nakikita din kung paano siya nabubulong.
Tornado of destruction. Parang yung game po yan ng pang sinislice-slice yung mga prutas. So, anyway,
Mm.
bilis ka lang ba?
Naalala ko na naman yan. Laging bomba yung naano ko dun.
From here, tama na po siya. For what? Okay, so siguro I can optimize T for any variable na. Okay lang po kasi actually T lang naman yung point eh. For any possible variable na pwede ko siyang i-set upon. Any variable pa na
Mm.
yung with respect to any possible variable. Okay.
Pwede naman. Possible.
Basta yung ano po d theta with respect to something. Dapat pareho po siya anywhere. No matter what variable. Basta yung na-evaluate siya. So, ano ba na? Itong time. So,
And then BP.
ayun na.
Kasi time. Ah,
Siguro masabi ko total time.
okay lang. Okay lang.
Or equals in terms of what? Oh, wait.
Basta per hour tayo ah.
S kilometers times 5 S.
Mhm. Okay. Fine.
Okay, so I see the problem.
Ilang naman ang kinukuha mo, right? Eh,
Di pala po pwede against theta. So, kailangan ng carrier variable. Siguro x. Blah, blah, blah.
Okay lang, kahit S.
Ah,
Oo, with respect to S.
Okay, since laging positive to. Mhm.
Ano na? Ano na, Josh?
It's over. Kasi kung ano,
Ay, nako.
aba, so it's over. Kasi kung lilipat ko dito sa 5/10, hindi na siya pwedeng it's over. Mm,
Ano ba to? Ito.
I believe there must be a way na to express it purely in one variable imbis na ganito kasi dalawa siyang variables, hindi siya pwedeng i-ano. There must be a way since
Oo.
kasi ano po na, since ito yung ano, anyway. So, wait. Reason. Importante pa rin. So, whatever. Okay. Ah, ah, ah,
Sige.
ah. So, anyway, kasi,
Hmm.
kasi 5 times, ano ba na, 5 times theta. And, 5 times 1/2. Okay lang ba yan? Ano naman sabihin?
5 times 1/2. Adi 5/2.
Wait lang ako. Kasi ito, okay, ito pala yan eh. So, 5 plus, okay, so in one step na lang siya magawa. Plus, 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 plus,
Ano? Anything. So basic.
Okay, so pwede na siyang gawin. Total over dx.
Oo. Kahit ano, kahit tawag dito. Ano tawag dito? Kahit
So,
ano mo na lang. Logic na tingin dyan sa bilog.
Ayun. Okay. Okay, please be correct. 3 minus. Mm, wait lang mo. So T total is... wait. Distance over... ano pa na? Ayan, yun yung problem. Kasi distance over
Overspeed.
time. Distance over time yung speed. So, it should be the time over distance. So,
Huh?
the holy grail could this solve everything. Anyway, whatever. So, what could this be? It will be something similar to this one. Or will it?
Oo.
It
Magiging
will
similar
be
dyan.
the same. No. I don't know. Is this correct? I'm not sure. I think this is indeed the
Hindi.
steps. Wait lang mo. Saan yung ano? Where is the formula? Oh, this one. Oh, mga wait lang. Negative 1 minus something. Mm-mm, 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 mm-mm.
Teka lang. Nasa baba ka na, di ba?
So, dapat 1/2 nga. Yes, yung numerator is 1/2. Tapos, ang square root of 1 minus x squared minus 4. Why is it not correct? Why is it not correct?
Kasi,
Where's the...
ano gamit mo? Theta?
I mean, ito lang po kasi yun. So, whatever.
Mm-mm.
It should be still correct.
With respect to S tayo.
With respect to S?
Oo.
Possible mo.
Bali kung ganun, long method nga pala yan. Sige. Ano yan with respect to S? Oo, tama. Oo. Ano yan? Saan ka pag-galing? Tama.
Okay, so it's correct.
dt ds yan.
Negative 1 over 4 minus x squared. Okay. Tapos, okay, okay. Is it the correct time to take the what if, oh wait, please.
Okay. Sige, sige. Second derivative. Ito magbababa ka na. Okay.
4 minus x squared, so that's negative, negative. So may 2. 2 sa numerator, 2 over ah, why? Ay, hindi talaga
Tandaan.
nag-give up na po siya magsulat at all.
Tandaan.
So,
Ayaw niya naman isulat.
okay, this will not stop me.
Tandaan. Ayaw niyo mabilis. Masyado.
Okay, so it will pay the price.
Ayaw niya na masyado mabilis.
The siguro negative 3 halves lang. Anything else? No. Wait, yes. Kasi the square root itself. Yes, okay. So, mawala to. Tapos may negative ulit. Wait. Medyo suspicious. So, yung the square root will become negative 1/2. Yes, so maging plus 1 over 2 times this. Tapos on the square inside will turn into negative 2. So that should turn at negative 1 nga. Okay. Okay, so this must be true. But 4 minus x squared, it's not always negative. But either not always negative. But if it's negative,
Ano na? Sa first derivative,
yun, may ano pala,
may mali na.
but may extra tax. Okay, so when x is negative, this is negative. I mean, no. When this is negative for some reason, this would be also negative anyway. So the whole thing will be negative forever.
So, ano magiging final answer mo na?
It means the slope is continuously decreasing. Okay. So it will
Oo.
forever. So there's a
Di ba magkakaroon ka ng concave down para sa lahat ng, ano bang gamit mo, x? Kung x man yan, edi concave down yan lahat. Then less than 0 yan.
okay. So kung ganon,
So, ibig sabihin, mag-a-occur siya sa isang endpoint. Asan ba yung drawing mo dyan sa taas? Oo nga, tama. Kung ganun na.
I think there's some sort of trick here. Kasi But it doesn't make sense at all. And this is, sigurado na po up to here, tama na siya kasi yung ano na, chinek na nga siya. So, should he even roll? Parang, okay. Baka siguro I'm assuming kasi yung ano po, yung kanina po, check ko na po siya kasi siya. So, maybe I'm assuming he should either row or he should walk. Maybe he will roll
Oo.
or walk the whole way. I don't know.
Oo,
Siguro
tama naman.
trick no. Kasi kasi this is negative for all for x is all real numbers. So
Oo.
it's a maximum everywhere. What? That's not
Oo.
So if this is correct, which I think it is, it's a relative maximum everywhere. There is no negative minimum. It's not concave downward. It's not concave upwards at all. So
Downward nga siya.
there is no such minimum.
Para magkaroon ka ng minimum,
I prove that. I don't know. Prove na.
di ba nag-second derivative ka? So, nakita natin dito na lahat concave down para sa lahat ng value. So, tama ka. Lahat ng nandun, maximum lahat. So, ang gawin mo kung walang minimum,
Maybe I
kunin
can
mo yung endpoint.
exit zero po. Kasi ito po, it means na yung if x exists, then therefore he rolled sometime. And if there is no minimum, ibig sabihin he is walking the whole way. So maybe the way to prove it is to check the total time he will take if he rolls by any sort of amount. Kasi kung x is some number 1 po, 1, 2.
Oo.
If it
Gawan mo ng range.
more time than if x is 0.
Oo.
Kasi
Magandang idea yan.
this cosine negative 1 is very small, tapos may 1/2 pa po siya. Pag dinagdag, ginawa ko pong x is 1, parang this would make a very big dent. It will bump up the number very high. Na it should be, kung if there's some minimum, it should go down. Kasi dapat concave downwards po. So, siguro ganun. T total 0. X equals 0, no rowing. So, no rowing siya. 1. Pero kung if this is true, then parang this whole thing is for naught. So, parang if this all useless na nasayang ko pa yung oras trying to find such thing where the answer kumbaga was right here. So,
May shortcut nga yan. Dalawang line. Mabilis lang. Just by looking at the drawing.
pinaka sad ending. And but what cost? So, 0. Kasi kung cosine, kasi kung cosine negative 1, 0. Pi over 10. Semi, okay, so,
Congrats, nakuha mo na. Yan na.
kung maging 1 nga po, cosine, ano ba yung cosine 1/2? Ayun po, cosine 1/2 is pi over 3, which is mga 1. Tapos, dinagdagan ko pong x. So, mga 1, tapos 1/5 nun. So, very small. 0.2, 0.1. Tapos, ito, mga 0.3. So, magdadagdag na sila. Maybe my estimation is wrong. X equals 1. If this it's over.
Yeah, pi over 10.
Fifth, cosine 1 half plus 2/3.
So, ano yung isa?
0.87. What is pi over that? Okay, so as I predicted, so 0.314.
Mga 0.3.
0.314. So this is greater than. So that means any sort of X that will exist. Kasi X is very slow. Yung pag-roll na po is very slow. So, pag-roll na po is parang, ano ba, 3 times slower than ano yung paglakad niya. So, it's not worth it at all. Kung if there would be any extra X, even after 1, it would not be worth it. And then, meron kaya siya, and the graph is continuously downward. So, there is no, parang siguro wala siyang trick na somewhere 0.01 ba yung ano niya, mag-roll. So, this must be the ultimate time.
Yan yun, pinakamabagal. Pinaka ano niya, mas
Walks-
maikli.
He walks the whole way. So, what a sad end. So, ano po yung, kumaga, ano po, please predict na yung napaka-complicated na tapos he just walks all the way. Parang,
Ending, naglakad lang pala siya.
ano po, bis na ginawa ko lahat ng naglakad pala. So, ito lang po, pi over 10 lang pala yung, the whole problem, pi over 10, which can be found by, ito lang po siguro. Just by looking at this, siguro without this, useful pa kaya to. Siguro kung tinignan ko kasi kanina, actually nobody would see this. I think, hindi. Kahit na ginawa ko ng photo kagad, if I already evaluate 0 and 1, you will still need to do this kasi baka may some sort of point mo dyan na umaga may maliit na 10. Tapos yung baba. It's still necessary to know kung ano ba yung graph para baka So, okay. So, it's partially for not, pero not really for not. So, para siyang check siguro kung ano ba yun. So, kung this is downward siya, this is the optimum time, pi over 10. So, mga 0.3 hours. So, mga 18.8 minutes lang.
Pasaglit lang.
Okay, so mga 18.8 minutes. So, 96 daw. 96 hindi na siya add. Pero, anyway. So, kung 2 kilometers, 3 kilometers. Siguro, I would say kung sa 96 po. Pero hindi na po siya add number. Pero, anyways. 6. 96. Ayun. Kasi magiging 1/3. Tapos ito 1/1/2. Tapos yung 1/3. Yung cosine mag-outweigh naman sa 1/3 x. It should mean na siguro I predict without solving it. I predict na since pareho naman po yung main graph. It will roll the whole way. Kasi yung walking is irrelevant. Parang it does not, if you walk, it will make you slower even though mabilis pala yung walking na mo.
Oo, tama.
Pero he will still, it's better to just roll all the way.
Astig. Tama po. For 96, 95.
Siguro kung without solving it at all, so 1/3. Mga ganun po ako naman. So, rowing the whole way naman po.
Oo. Pag 0, 1/, pi over 6, yung isa 1/2.
Yun po.
Ano ba?
The end of
332.
the end of the decade's old question.
Oo. 97. Teka. Titignan ko kung kaya ko pa na isang tanong. Sige. Kaya mo pa? Kaya pa nang tayin ko ng isa. 97.
97 should be easy kasi it's proving. So, ano pa na? Yung proving is madali ngayon sa word problem. So,
Oo.
yung word problem ngayon. So, ano ba? Limit as x approaches 0. Log A. Okay, so kasi kung ganito ba, it clearly is trying to make me do a derivative somewhere. Derivative definition ba? Where's the derivative definition? What? I need to go all the way back sa pinakauna.
Wala.
Fundamental theorem, calculus, la 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 inverse of function. No, I don't need this. I need okay. No, 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 no. Where is it? Okay, so using definitions first, blah 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 blah. I don't definition. The derivative is here. Okay, so it's here somewhere. No, no, no.
Ano bang balak mo? Gamit ng L.
Derivatives. Okay, derivatives, derivatives, the derivative, the derivative, the derivative, the derivative, the derivative.
Kaso, pag nag-evaluate ka na, mag-i-indeterminate siya.
Found it. So yun po. Okay, the derivative is
Sige,
f
sige.
of x plus okay, so it's easy. So f daw, f f x plus x f x over
Yan ang gamit mo. Sige, okay lang. Go lang.
okay. Okay. Uh-huh. How do I express this in terms of that? Forgot this. So I'm just going to copy it and leave.
Okay. Sige.
The log A of 1 is always 0. Oh wait. So I know what to put. Log log minus log A. Tanan, tanan.
Tama.
Kasi 0 naman to. Tapusan over the delta x is x.
Over.
Okay, I'm going to make delta x x. Okay, good.
Mhm.
Equals I can now say log. Let me write. Okay, so talagang kumbaga may time pressure po sa nag-fail bigla yung pen. So, one of the most yung parang ayaw na ako magsulat. Why? Ano ba yung anong ginawa ko sa'yo? So,
May
uh,
galit sa'yo.
ano pa na parang out of all of the times pina-fail na ako ngayon. So,
Oo.
honestly, I don't know what to do here. Log A of E. Property? Siguro, I don't know. And actually, kasi yung mismo sa loob na, so log AE over 1 plus X. Ayun, as X equals 0. So, mawala to, maging log A.
Okay, good. Equivalent siya saan?
I don't know ba? Ano
Ano?
ba?
1 over LNA.
Oo nga lang. So, ano pala? So, di na sinabi yan. So, di na po sinabi sa problem na kailangan ko siyang 1 over MA. So,
Ah,
ayun, ito na yan. Yun na ba?
sige. Sige, bukas ano tayo?
Matapos na muna.
99. Oo nga, ang saya. Matatapos natin yung 5.
Alam mo, matapos yung 5, welcome yung 6. Tapos na parang 6. Ano ba yung ilan ba? 6. Magsilang pa na yung 6. Wow.
Mm.
6,
Ano tayo?
4.
19. Kaya na to. Bukas. Hanggang 6. No? Chapter 6.
6.5.
Pagkati lang pala. May 6.5. Yan. Asan yung 6.5?
So, half as long po yung 6.
Ang ikli lang nung exercises na kasunod. 6.1.
Anong time po kayo bukas available?
2 to 3 pa rin po.
Pre, apa.
Okay po.
Saturday din po?
Po?
Tsaka Saturday?
Ay, akala ko po biyernes na yan. Teka lang po.
Ah,
Wait lang po.
sino ka?
Friday. Ano na po ba ngayon? Thursday? Opo. Tama nga po. Pag Friday po, 2 to 3 din po. Tsaka po Saturday. Ganun din po yung time.
Apa.
Okay po. Sige po, dito po muna tayo mag-end.
Okay po.
Tapos, ano pa?
Yung 6 po, parang ano yung sinasabi ko nga po, parang pinapapahinga. Para for, in preparation for 7. Pinapahinga pa.
Oo. Feeling ko ang bilis lang natin matatapos yun. Saglit lang yun eh.
Oh no.
Application lang.
7 is integration. So, mga improper integrals. Mga ano
Yung
pa
pinakamasayang part, nasa 7.
part ng calculus. Okay, so, tapos ang Taylor series, oh no. Tapos ano na.
Sayang, gusto ko sanang makita yung yung 102, may mathematical induction kasi.
Saan po?
Tapos ang
Number,
vectors,
just
oh
na
no.
just na.
Ever may muna.
Number 102 po.
Opo. Sayang. Kung may time po kayo, gusto ko pong makita sana yung may part po ng mathematical induction na 102.
Okay.
Okay.
Sige ba?
Sige, sige. Dito po muna tayo mag-end. Tapos, yun lang po, kaisa-isang even number po na gusto ko pong i-solve using mathematical induction.
Okay po. Tsaka pag meron po kayo nakita magandang problems, isama
Opo.
kung alin pong kung even.
Opo. Maganda po kanina yung sinagutan ni Josh 95 to 96.
Okay po.
Okay po. Thank you po. God bless po.
Yun
Ingat po kayo.
yung